My name is Dr. Rowan. Today we begin the experiment, the bullet versus the fly. Let's see what happens. This is the common housefly. Its wings beat almost 200 times per second, giving it the power to dodge and change direction instantly. Despite its size, the housefly has lightning-fast reflexes. Its vision is like watching the world in slow motion, which gives it the chance to dodge almost anything. Now its compound eyes have thousands of tiny lenses, almost 360-degree vision. It senses even the smallest movement long before we notice. See? Even my hand can't catch it. The question is, can it escape something as fast as a bullet? This is a double-barrel shotgun, simple break-action design, strong and accurate. For today's experiment, we'll fire only one shot to keep it clear. Reflex. A bullet like this travels at incredible speed, hundreds of meters per second. In just a blink, it can cross several meters. Reloaded. We've got a high-speed camera on the side to catch every microsecond. Slow motion will tell the truth. All set. High-speed camera rolling. Let's see if the fly can survive this. Okay, let's shoot. 1, 2, 3. Alright, the shot has been made. Now let's check the recording from the high-speed camera. We'll see every detail in slow motion.
Wow, amazing. What the heck? The fly actually made a backflip to dodge the bullet just in time.
Look closely, the bullet passes just below, but the fly escaped. Incredible reflex, even faster than we expected, and now one of them is here watching with me.
This is the bullet traveling hundreds of meters per second, and this is the fly reacting in just milliseconds. That's why it managed to dodge, even against something this fast. A human takes about 200 milliseconds to react. A fly can respond in less than 50. But this bullet moves so fast, it covers meters at the same time.
Okay, now, let's see how a human reacts when slapped. So, how did it feel? Did you even see it coming?
No, it was too fast. I couldn't react at all.
And how about you? How did it feel for you?
Honestly, I feel satisfied. Finally got to slap my boyfriend.
Today we've seen the difference. A human, even expecting a slap, still cannot react fast enough. But a tiny fly can dodge something much faster. Nature shows us reflexes far beyond our own. And that is why slow motion lets us witness what the human eye alone can never see. If you have any ideas for the next experiment, just comment below. And don't forget to follow us.
So how do you do that? I see, pure instinct. Impressive.